Hindi magastos sa gasolina. Yamaha MT-15 Master of Torque. 4-stroke, single overhead cam, 4 valves, single cylinder, fuel injected na liquid-cooled engine. Dark side of Japan. LED projector headlight, monofocus LED, foggy effect, and parang galit yung itsura ng motor. Bulb type pa ang isang to. 110 by 50 by 17. Single hydraulic disc with 2-pot caliper, upside down telescopic fork. Sa likurang bahagi, 140 by 70 by 17. Tubeless na rin, of course, single hydraulic disc, link type monocross swing arm. 155 mm na ground clearance. Ganda rin ang taillight niya, NSS. LED na to, 133 kg. 810 mm, 6-speed gearing transmission. Kahit saan kadali ng mga ka-rides mo, kayang-kaya ng motor mo. Meron din siyang compression ratio na 11.6:1. Fully digital meter panel with all the indicators that you need. 10 liters, 25 km per liter na average fuel consumption. Dito mo susisian yan. Kung upuan nga lang yung pinakabukas, 172,000 pesos. Kung gusto mo ng kakaibang motor na talagang lingunin sa kalsada at napakalakas ng dating, pero